Functions of SIGER data: thermal error compensation management system, machine tool thermal cold error calibration function, X, Y, Z 3-axis synchronous compensation function, machine tool factory auto calibration function, traditional machine tool thermal compensation modes and pain points. Rising temperatures cause lead screw errors to keep growing. Thermal errors persist even after cooling the hollow lead screw. The grading scale compensation imposes stringent requirements on the installation environment. Pain point 1. Without thermal compensation system, every 1 degree temperature rise adds roughly 0.01 mm of error to the far end of the screw, and these errors keep stacking up as temperatures fluctuate. Pain point 2. After hollow cooling of the lead screw, the mechanical structure becomes more complex, with a temperature drop of approximately 40%, yet the thermal error issue persists. Pain point 3. Grading ruler calibration control enables unidirectional accuracy compensation, but it has stringent requirements for the installation environment. Working principle of SIGER data: thermal error compensation management system using PT100 temperature sensors. The system collects real-time temperature data for the X, Y, and Z axis and transmits it to the MCU computing unit. Based on ambient temperature and the thermal variations of the XYZ lead screws, it synchronously implements temperature compensation in combination with the XYZ spatial calibration system. 4-step calibration process of SIGER data: thermal error compensation management system. 1. Installation of thermal error compensation management system hardware. 2. XYZ spindle thermal error spatial calibration. 3. Automatic update of thermal error compensation model. 4. Automatic update of thermal error compensation model. Install the thermal CMS hardware to achieve real-time computing and interconnection between the SIGER thermal CMS control unit and the CNC machine control unit. Completed the XYZ temperature variation model measurement based on XYZ spatial calibration. Dynamic real-time model updates enable perfect temperature compensation for every machine tool. Based on the updated computational model, real-time accuracy deviation verification is conducted, including laser calibration verification, dial indicator verification, and product machining verification, to achieve thermal error accuracy control. SIGER data's thermal CMS enables rapid implementation of machine tool thermal error management in 4 steps, reducing errors by 70% to 95%. It is widely compatible with various CNC systems and machine tools, such as Fanuc, Siemens, Mitsubishi, and Syntec. It offers wide compatibility and adapts well to various equipment, such as universal CNC machines, gantry machining centers, and multitasking machines. It enables machine tools to achieve high precision control in both cold and hot operating environments, ensuring worry-free machining.